Kids in the Kitchen right now, we use a specific curriculum, and it goes through a lot of basic steps on how to cook meals. For this age group, I focus on the dry liquid, measuring cups, the differences between tablespoons, things that they can be more familiar with in the kitchen. With this specific after-school program, West Lawn, I have tried to incorporate different ingredients and different things every week that maybe they haven't tried before. So whole grains, whole wheat flour this week. I use that because I thought they probably have heard that. They might have not seen it, they might have not tasted it. And with this recipe, it's you can taste it a lot more than a normal pancake. This week was grains. We focused on vegetables, we focused on fruits, all the different food groups. In the cafeteria, it's awesome because they have my plate all over, and so I'm able to point to that. They're able to see that when they're in the cafeteria. I ask them about different meals they had during the day, what they're going to eat at supper time, just getting them talking about the food groups, because once they're able to pick out the food groups, I think it's easier for them to eat more of those things. So if we just say eat more fruits, eat more vegetables, that's really hard to do when you're that little. And even at my age, that's hard to do when you don't know which category it's in. So our first week we made banana splits. They got really excited and they're like, ice cream. And I'm like, no, not ice cream. We're gonna do a healthy banana split. So it was strawberry yogurt. We had mixed fruits on the top and a little bit of granola. If you get them comfortable with cooking, they'll help in the kitchen and they mimic what you're doing in the kitchen. You know, if I make a mistake, I'm like, oh shoot, I put the eggshell in. So you teach them how to take it out and you kind of start over. With that age, you just have to take it step by step. Once we get into the 3rd and 5th graders, they'll be able to basically do it on their own. It's fun. They're a good group of kids.